Hi, and welcome to another edition of Chef, Cheap, Healthy, Easy Food. Today I'm going to show you how to broil swordfish. I've chosen some swordfish. We'll choose a glass baking dish. This is a 10 by 10. And what we're going to do is we're going to season it. Now I've chosen this seasoning which you can get at any seafood counter in any good supermarket. All we're going to do is we're going to sprinkle some on. And then we're going to add some olive oil, maybe just a teaspoon to a tablespoon, just so the fish doesn't dry out. After that, it's as simple as putting it in the oven, using the broil setting, and cooking each side for about 10 minutes. Once both sides are cooked, it's finished and ready to eat. We're just going to serve it with some leftover rice and beans. See another rice and beans chef episode for that. Enjoy.